behind you. Mr. and Mrs. Chandler, who is that at the door behind you? The two of you are to call the police forthwith.
This is so not fair.
I'm signing an immediate writ for her eviction.
Yeah, I'm sure you are.
I am. And you know what else? I'm going to hold you in contempt if you say one more word.
This woman moved into an elderly couple's home and genuinely believed she had every right to stay. Judge Shackelford had zero tolerance for it. And there is one moment toward the end, caught live on camera, that changes everything you thought you knew about this case.
Yeah, this one apparently has.
Ma'am, you have to get off the phone.
You're good. Right.
Like I'm literally, you're in a courtroom. All right.
Guys, I'm on the phone with my grandmother, the homeowner.
Okay. Which one of you is Kristen Pascucci?
Me.
You are. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Chandler's here. All right. And Ms. Pascucci, can you tell me your name? I'm sorry if I'm butchering your last name.
It's okay. It's Chris Pascucci.
Where is Renee Chandler?
She's on the phone. That's actually who the person next to me is talking to.
All right. Well, where's Renee Chandler at, Mr. Chandler?
She's in the house.
No, wait 1 second. Mr. Chandler, where's Renee Chandler?
She's in the other room. You want me to get her?
Yeah, you two both have to come into court. It's both of your motion. So she doesn't need to be on the phone with the other party. She needs to be in the courtroom. That phone can be hung up. She's coming in.
Yep. She's coming in right now.
All right. Ma'am, can you tell me your first and last name?
Renee Chandler.
All right. Thank you. All right. So we had a motion that was filed. Originally, there was a demand for possession of the house. It was a termination of tenancy, essentially. And then it was the case was dismissed. And we had notice of dismissal that was signed by Renee Chandler. Okay. So the home that you own and that is at issue in this case is the property at Holland.
Right.
Okay. And does Miss Pascucci still reside there?
Yes.
At this moment.
Okay,
Yeah.
so she's still living there. And so this motion to dismiss the case was filed. Mr. and Mrs. Chandler, is it your position at this time that you want to go forward with the termination of tenancy?
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, so they want to go forward.
Mamie,
with
what?
that.
No.
Don't.
Mammy, she's asking if you want to evict us. You're lying. We have you on video. We have you on recording. You know that.
Ma'am, Miss Pascucci, you're in a courtroom. Okay?
I'm sorry.
Okay, act like it. Miss Chandler. So this suit was originally filed. I'm understanding that this is your granddaughter. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. Are you feeling
Oh, no,
pressure?
I'm sorry. Excuse me, Judge.
Yes?
No, it's not my granddaughter. It is
My granddaughter's friend.
my granddaughter's friend.
All right, Miss Pascucci. So she's not a family member. She's just someone that's residing at the location with your granddaughter.
Yes.
What's your granddaughter's name?
Logan Renee McNutt.
All right. Now, Mrs. and Mr. Chandler, is it your testimony to this court that you want Miss Pascucci to vacate the residence?
Yes.
Ma'am?
That's
Oh,
me.
yes.
Shh. Who is talking back there? She's not. Miss Chandler, would you like Miss Pascucci to leave the property?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Pascucci, you don't have an ownership interest. You're there as an at-will, tenant, and they're asking for you to vacate the property.
Yes, I didn't know that they were asking me to vacate the property. They actually never asked me to vacate the property. Eviction notices.
Well, they did because they filed these notices that there were threats against family members. It was causing havoc. And that it's happened, on more than one occasion.
Excuse me, miss. I'm not sure what your name is. I actually stay outside.
My name is Judge Shackelford.
Judge
I'm
Shackelford.
the judge.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I stay actually outside on their property in a trailer because I'm actually homeless. I'm trying to find somewhere to go. They know that. That's the only reason that I'm actually here. I don't even really go in their house unless it's to shower or to cook. But I actually bought a burner from Family Dollar to be able to cook my food out here. So I don't have to use the bathroom in the house either. I bought a bucket with some trash bags. So I don't even have to go in their house.
I know, but you can't miss Vespucci. I'm sympathetic to your
I
circumstances, but that's their property.
I
And it's
understand.
their home. And if they don't want you there, you
Ma'am,
can't stay there.
Leon does not. I have video voice recordings of her saying that.
I don't care. She's in court. She's under oath. She's advised me that she wants you to vacate the
She's lying
property.
under oath, ma'am.
Okay, you have to vacate the property. You have 10 days to vacate.
More than that, I don't have a job right now. I need.
All right, ma'am, this is the law.
I understand.
And I don't, okay, well, I want you to understand that's the law. You have 10 days. I can tell why they want you out because you think you can talk over people and yell. You have 10 days to vacate the property. Mr. and Mrs. Chandler, you are to call police.
That's not fair. That is not right.
You are to call police if she tries to vacate or if she tries to enter your premises, if she tries to come in your home. And if she does not leave in 10 days, you come up to the court and there is a form that you get for a writ of eviction, and our court officers will come and remove her and all of her belongings from the property.
What hits hardest here is that this is not just a property dispute. This is two elderly people who feel like prisoners inside their own home. And Judge Shackelford caught that energy the second she walked in. The way this woman carries herself inside an actual courtroom tells you exactly how she behaves when no camera is watching, behind closed doors, with two vulnerable people who probably don't know how to fight back. And look, nobody is dismissing how difficult homelessness is. That is a real and painful situation. But difficulty does not transfer ownership. The bucket, the burner stove, the sob story, none of it changes one single legal fact. These homeowners want to remove from their property. That is the entire case. Most people watching this would have handled it very differently. And honestly, you could understand why. But this situation has real safety layers to it because she is still physically on that property right now. Drop in a comment if this was happening to someone in your family. Would you go the legal route or handle it differently?
Okay,
Mr.
Judge.
and Mrs. Chandler, if she comes near you or her granddaughter attempts to convince you otherwise, the two of you are to call the police forthwith. You're to call the police. They're not to harass you. You have no obligation to keep anyone on your property that you're not comfortable or safe with. She's to remove all of the property.
And it's just him. He steals from her and everything else.
She's to leave your property. And you're to contact law enforcement if she comes. Do you understand me, Mr. and Mrs. Chandler?
Yes.
Okay, I'm signing it. You have 10 days. You can get your writ for eviction in 10 days.
This is so not fair.
You know what, Miss Vespucci, do you pay rent even? You want to just stay on someone's property for free and you think that's not fair? That they want you out?
That's not even it, ma'am.
All right, I think she might be a risk to your safety, Mr. and Mrs. Chandler. She clearly cannot control herself. The allegations, Mr. Chandler, Mrs. Chandler, who's that? Who is that behind you? Mr. and Mrs. Chandler, who is that at the door behind you?
That's
your granddaughter?
No.
Yeah.
My granddaughter came in the bedroom just now. And she's
all right, and if Miss Vespucci's to leave the property forthwith. She's a threat to your safety, her and your granddaughter.
Okay.
Ma'am, you're to vacate the property forthwith. I find that you present a risk to these two individuals. It is unsafe for you to be at the property. She's to leave forthwith. I'm signing an immediate writ for her eviction.
Yeah, I'm sure you are.
I am. And you know what else? I'm going to hold you in contempt if you say one more word. Mr. and Mrs. Chandler, do you need to have your granddaughter vacated?
No, we can handle my granddaughter.
Okay. She's to leave the property immediately. I'll sign a writ now,
Okay,
okay?
All right.
If she comes in your home, if she makes any threats towards you, if she does not leave forthwith, you're to call the police.
okay.
Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, she's to vacate forthwith. I'll have the clerk bring up paperwork. Mr. and Mrs. Chandler, you can come up to the court and get your writ today. I need to fill that out. Okay, come on up to the court.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Is that her screaming in the background?
Yeah, it's okay. That's my granddaughter.
Okay, it's just your granddaughter screaming. It's not
Right.
the other individual?
No, the other individual is not in the house.
All right. What do you do if she comes in the house?
We ask her to leave or call the police.
And yes, sir.
The second that Judge saw what was actually happening at that house through a live camera feed, this case stopped being about eviction paperwork. It became about two elderly people who needed someone in a position of power to finally stand up for them. Watching older people get pushed around inside their own home is genuinely one of the most uncomfortable things to sit through, and Judge Shackelford refused to look away from it. Respect to Judge Shackelford. Easy 10 out of 10 in this one. And on the homeless conversation, compassion is real and it matters. Nobody should be without shelter. But that compassion has a hard stop the moment you start making someone else feel unsafe in the place they call home. Those two things cannot coexist.